Hey guys, and yeah, I filmed again and I didn't plug my microphone, so that sucks. Anyway, how are you guys going? It's July 1st, and I haven't been putting up a lot of vlogs in this channel, this bisdakvlagger channel, and this is my original channel, but I'm taking care of my bisaya vlogs also, and been uploading there a lot. Yeah, so this may be uploaded maybe 2 weeks after or anything, because yeah, I'm getting delayed with some of the uploads because yeah, it's been a stressful COVID thing, and today Victoria, some of our suburbs are also back to lockdown because it was spikes like the second wave, so it's stressful. Anyway, I'm in the garage right now, and I know by the time I posted this, I may have already posted one of my episode for the channel, which is DIY stuff. So this is gonna be my new workshop here in the garage when the car's not here. And yeah, here's my setup also for my computer here. My computer and that, and all the files are there and everything else. But yeah, that's my setup for now, and that's the door inside. So that may sound a bit weird. I was speaking. Never mind. Anyway, so yeah, I'll just try to upload some stuff. I'm gonna start editing today, and I'm gonna try to keep up with my backlogs on the vlogs and everything else. And I hope you guys are fine. You take care, and yeah, you take care. I love you all. See you in the next few vlogs. I just want to say hi. I don't know what's gonna happen next today. I didn't plan anything. I just want to put up this video. So yeah. Hey guys, got extra time today, and I'm here at my favorite spot again, and yeah, look at the fog. It's awesome. Look at that. There's something right there, but I don't know, like, I'm just gonna, yeah, so it's nice to be here, but I need to get home. Yeah. Okay, I'm here at my favorite spot, which is this spot here where there's a lot of fog everywhere, and yeah, thing is my drone ran out of battery, so I'm heading home. Not much today, but that thing is really good. If I can only picture that, I'll try to take a picture of that. Mount Dandenong, and yeah, it's very cloudy today, and yeah, conditions are really tough. So I'm heading home now. Yeah, started a vlog. I couldn't finish it because yeah, it's really wet and it's cold, but it's bearable. But it's really wet. My shoes, I'm not wearing the Gore-Tex one, so my shoes is wet right now. So like, it sucks. My foot sucks. I don't like the feeling. Should have worn my Gore-Tex in the first place. But anyway, I'm heading home now. Let's go home.